The link lengths of a planar 4-bar mechanism are AB equal to 100 mm, BC is equal to 25 mm, CD is equal to 75 mm, and DA is equal to 90 mm. For achieving the full rotation of both the input crank as well as the output follower links, the link that needs to be fixed is, he is asking us which is the link we need to fix in order to achieve full rotation of the input link, which is nothing but the crank, as well as the output link, which is nothing but the follower. This shows that the resulting mechanism is a double crank mechanism. So we are given with the options which link is to be fixed. Let's see the solution. Let the links be written as SLPQ, where S is the shortest link, which is BC, that is 25 mm. L is the longest link, that is AB, that is equal to 100 mm. P and Q are the other links, which is nothing but CD, that is 75 mm. Q is DA, that is 90 mm. Now, let's add the lengths of the shorter link and the longest link and the other two links separately and try to compare them. We have S plus L is less than P plus Q in this particular case. So these come under class 1 chains. For achieving the full rotation of the both input as well as the output link, that is the double crank mechanism, as per Grashoff's criteria, the shortest link BC should be the fixed link. So the correct answer for this question is option B.